here, your trusted supplier of used construction machinery. Today, I am showing the SANY SR285 Rotary drilling rig. Let us see the driving cabin. Okay. It comes with powerful Isuzu engine, high torque output, and a smart hydraulic system that ensures stable and efficient operation. It can drill up to 80 meters depth, and it performs excellently even in complex soil layers. If you are looking for a reliable, cost-effective, or serious work, the SR285R is a top performer.